What if I told you the Galaxy S26 Ultra just leaked in full 360, and it might be Samsung's cleanest Ultra design ever? Picture this. It's late January. Unpacked is locked for February 25th. Rumors are everywhere. And then suddenly a trusted leaker drops a full 360-degree video of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. No watermark, no blurry case, just the phone, fully exposed. In the first reaction, it looks refined, not revolutionary, not crazy. Refined. The moment the video starts spinning, one thing becomes clear. Samsung didn't redesign the Ultra from scratch. Instead, they polished it, sharpened it, smoothed it out. The corners are now slightly more rounded compared to the S25 Ultra. That sharp, boxy note-like feel, it's fading even more. The S26 Ultra feels closer to the standard and Plus models, now more unified, more consistent across the lineup, and honestly, it makes the phone look cleaner. Then your eyes move to the display. The bezels are thinner, not dramatically thinner, but enough to notice. The screen stretches further toward the edges, giving it a more immersive look. When the 360 animation rotates under the light, the front feels almost like one uninterrupted sheet of glass, subtle, but premium. Now flip it around, the back tells a more interesting story. Samsung has placed three main cameras inside a single camera island. Inside that bump, you've got the ultra-wide, the main sensor, and the periscope zoom lens. But look closer. Two additional rings sit outside the island, likely for the TOF sensor and another telephoto component. It's structured, balanced, intentional, and here's something longtime fans will notice instantly. The Saturn-style camera rings gone. Samsung has switched back to metallic lens rings. This reportedly comes after user feedback on the S25 Ultra. It's a small change, but visually, it makes the camera module feel more premium and less experimental. Sometimes listening to feedback matters more than adding features. There's another detail that stands out. The selfie camera cutout on the front appears slightly larger. That could mean an upgraded front sensor. Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet, but a bigger cutout usually signals bigger hardware, better vlogs, sharper video calls. We'll have to wait and see. The sides remain minimal. Volume rocker, power button, clean antenna lines, no flashy elements. No unnecessary design tricks, just a phone that looks confident in what it is. And maybe that's the real story here. Samsung isn't chasing shock value this year. They're refining what already works. Smoother corners, slimmer bezels, cleaner camera layout, metallic accents instead of gimmicks. It's evolution, not revolution. But here's the big question, is that enough? Because when a phone looks this similar to its predecessor, expectations shift to performance. Cameras, battery, AI, everything under the hood. The design may be cleaner and sharper, but the real test will be whether Samsung delivers meaningful upgrades beyond the surface. Unpacked is just around the corner. February 25th will answer everything. So now, I want to hear from you. Does this 360 leak make you more excited for the Galaxy S26 Ultra? Or does it feel too safe? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you want real breakdowns without the hype, hit like, share this with someone waiting for the S26 Ultra, and subscribe because once Samsung goes official, we're diving into every detail.